Welcome to HomePantry, your go-to destination for all things kitchen and culinary. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your cooking experience with its blend of style and functionality. We're talking about the NutriChef Cooking Pot with lid, a 2.1 quart wonder designed for the modern kitchen. Let's start with the visual appeal. NutriChef has clearly put a lot of thought into the aesthetics of this pot. It boasts an elegant and sleek diamond pattern on the interior, which isn't just for show. This pattern is part of the non-stick coating system, designed to help food release easily and prevent sticking. The overall design is stylish and modern, aiming to be a statement piece on your stovetop rather than just another utilitarian item. The exterior is finished with a heat-resistant lacquer, which not only adds to its good looks but also ensures durability against everyday wear and tear. Beyond the looks, the core of any good cookware is its performance, and this NutriChef pot doesn't shy away from that. The non-stick coating is described as durable and long-lasting. It's built with excellent copper ceramic interior coating, which is known for its excellent heat distribution and release properties. The coating thickness is a respectable 3.5 mm, and the metal material hardness is rated at a 7-level HB, suggesting a robust construction that should withstand regular use without scratching or degrading quickly. Compatibility is another huge plus here. This pot is induction compatible, which is fantastic for those with modern induction cooktops. But it doesn't stop there. It's also safe for gas, electric, and ceramic counter cooktops. This versatility means that no matter what kind of stove you have, you should be able to use this pot. The maximum temperature it can handle is 392 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly adequate for most everyday cooking tasks. The construction material is reinforced forged aluminum metal. Aluminum is a great conductor of heat, ensuring even cooking, and the forged process generally leads to a stronger, more warp-resistant product. The lid is made of tempered glass, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. The handle and lid knob are engineered from a combination of nylon and silicone, which should stay cool to the touch during cooking, offering a comfortable and safe grip. Now, let's talk about the practicalities. Being stain-resistant and easy to clean is a major selling point for any non-stick cookware, and NutriChef claims this pot delivers on that front. The smooth surface should allow for quick wiping down after cooking, saving you precious time in the kitchen. We've covered the features, but what about the real-world pros and cons? On the pro side, the stylish design is a definite winner for those who appreciate aesthetics in their kitchen. The excellent compatibility across various cooktops, including induction, makes it a versatile choice. The non-stick coating, if it lives up to its durable claims, will make cooking and cleaning a breeze. The size, 2.1 quarts, is ideal for single servings, small families, or for preparing side dishes. It's compact enough to store easily as well. The overall construction feels solid, suggesting it's built to last. However, no product is perfect. One potential con, as with many non-stick pans, is the longevity of the coating. While it's described as durable, non-stick surfaces can eventually degrade with aggressive use, metal utensils, or improper cleaning. It's always recommended to use silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils with non-stick cookware to maximize its lifespan. Also, while 2.1 quarts is great for many tasks, it might be too small for larger family meals or batch cooking. The maximum temperature, while sufficient for most cooking, might be a limitation for very high heat searing applications, though this is a pot, not a dedicated searing pan. In conclusion, the NutriChef Cooking Pot with lid is a well-designed, versatile, and visually appealing addition to any kitchen. It balances modern aesthetics with practical cooking features, making it suitable for a wide range of users and cooking styles. If you're looking for a small, stylish, and functional pot that works on almost any stovetop, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.